Oh, it's a Guadalupe. Oh, it's a big one too. It's like, this might be a PV Gua. Yo, this is a beautiful fish. Look at that sucker right there. Guadalupe bass. This is a beautiful, beautiful fish. I'm gonna go get this guy weighed, measured, and a photo on a better camera. Really cool fish. Caught him on the creek. Zoom finesse worm, black ruby color. All right. Got the scale. I'm gonna weigh this fish. I've got him right here. I'm gonna see how heavy this Guadalupe bass is. I'm gonna be very gentle. Make sure my hands are wet. See how much you weigh here, buddy. Man, I do not like this little gripper thing. It's hard to get going. £202. That is a big Guadalupe bass. No way. Bye, buddy. Mission successful. New PV Gua. That is awesome.